Hello students. So in this topic we are going to check possessive article. In possessive article we are going to learn the first form my, my, my. We will start with basic and step by step we'll start. So my, which in German means mine. Mine, MEIN, mine, which you can see in the red color. Mine. Now, I have given you some 8 examples down. Vater. Vater means father. You can keep your black color pen in your hand to write the meanings if you want. Vater means father. The sound of V should be F for fan. F. Write down and take the pronunciations with pencil. Keep different colors for 2 different things. Blue for German, black for English, meanings and pencil for pronunciation. Bruder. Bruder means brother. Schwester. Schwester means sister. Großmutter. Großmutter means grandmother. Großvater. Großvater means grandfather. Onkel. Onkel means uncle. Tante. Tante means auntie. So all these are nouns. So I have written it big. Vater, Mutter, Bruder, Schwester, Großmutter, Großvater, Onkel and Tante. Then I have written their names. Vater heißt Peter. If you have seen my introduction video, there we saw whenever we talk about ourselves, we say ich. Ich heiße Christina. When you say ich heiße Christina, because you need to end the verb in front of the pronoun I with the alphabet E for elephant. Heiße. Ich heiße. But here we are not talking about me, myself. Okay. So I am talking about some third person, that is Vater, Mutter, Bruder. We are not ourself Vater. We are not ourself Mutter. Okay. So Vater means we are talking about father. So heißt word will come, HEI, beta and T. In German, beta means SZ. Vater heißt Peter. So all here are third person because we are talking about them. So everywhere you can see the verb heißt, 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 heißt. Vater heißt Peter. So you can write your father's name like father. My father name is this. Okay. My father is called Peter. Mother is called Mita. Bruder is called Mohan. So according to your information, you can put it down. So I want you to write first this part in your classwork notebook first. Once you have written this part in your classwork notebook, then you can try more examples in your homework notebook. So once you have written this, whatever you can see now in the photo, in the video, you have to copy paste the same thing in your classwork notebook. Once you have copied it, once you have heard this video and watched it thoroughly till the end, then you can solve the next step. So in this video, possessive article, that is mine, we are learning. So mine means in English my. Now students, let's see the explanation. Down you can see I have written something in black color. For male nouns we use mine. For female nouns we use minor. Now this possessive article, the topic name possessive article. Now possessive article we use when we are denoting something, means when we are showing some possession about some particular thing. Yeah. This particular thing is my, his, her. These are all possessive article. This book is my. This pen is my book, my pen, my mobile, my father, my mother, my school. So whenever you want to say my, in German we have to use mein as a root word. The root word, the basic word will be M-E-I-N, mein. So for male and female nouns, if you see in red color, M-E-I-N, both the side it is. But the only difference is, when the female noun comes, you have to add one extra alphabet, that is E. E for elephant at the end. As you can see over here. Here you can see mine word, where we are supposed to add E at the end. Minor. So students, this mine or minor doesn't means we cannot write it on your gender. Don't write it on your gender. It should be according to the noun's gender which is coming after this word. So mein Vater, meine Mutter. So for example, in Hindi I have given you one example, मेरा भाई. अभी मैं एक लेडी हूँ, मेरा खुद का जेंडर तो फीमेल है, आई एम अ फेमिनाइन, या सो अगर मेरा जेंडर फीमेल है तो मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल सकती मेरी भाई. दिस इज़ रॉन्ग, नो, बिकॉज मेरे जेंडर पे डिपेंड नहीं करेगा कि मैं मेरी डालूंगी या मेरा डालूंगी, वो मेरे जेंडर पे डिपेंड नहीं करता है. जब ये पजेसिव आर्टिकल आप लोग डालते हो, उसके बाद जो नाउन आता है उसके जेंडर पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप लोग एंड में ई डालोगे या नहीं डालोगे. वेदर यू विल पुट ई एट द एंड और यू वोंट, दैट डजंट डिपेंड ऑन योर जेंडर, दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द जेंडर of the noun which comes after this article. This is one type of article. After this article which noun comes, it depends upon its gender. So Vater is male, so mein Vater. Mutter is female, so meine Mutter. Only E should be added if the noun's gender is female. Only this much you have to keep in mind, students. So always the base, the root word of course will be M-E-I-N, mine. But if the noun is female, just add E at the end. So I am orally telling you the gender now. Bruder, gender is male. So what will you write? Schwester, gender is female. So what will you write? Großmutter is female. Großvater is male. Onkel is male. Tante is female. So according to what you have learnt in this video, in that manner you are going to write with a red color pen the answers in those blanks. First, try to solve it in homework notebook. You can send me a photo on my number. Once you have done that, then you can make it fair if your answers are correct. So according to the noun's gender, you're going to add E or you will not add E. But the base we are going to learn only today, my, M-Y, my. That is possessive article showing possession. My dad, my mom, my sister. Okay? So it is related to our native language more than our English language. Because in English we say my. My mother, my father, my sister, my cycle, everything is my. But in our native language, that is not the case. So please solve this and do send it to me. First, write this in your classwork notebook as it is. How can you see in the video? Once you have written this, what I have written, then when you solve it by your own, try to solve it in your homework notebook. Click a photo, send it to me, and then make it fair in your classwork notebook. So keep on watching the next video.